Hey everyone, welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's quick video, I'm showing you how to use WhatsApp's new camera blur effects for photos and videos. It's perfect for adding that professional touch to your photos and videos. Let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Next, open the WhatsApp and head to any chat where you'd normally send a photo or video. Once you've tapped on the camera icon, the camera screen will open. Next, tap the effects icon. Then, tap on backgrounds to choose the blur effect you want. You can select between background blur to keep the focus on your subject. Once you've got the look you want, take your photo or video and send it straight to your contacts right from the chat. And there you have it, a super easy way to enhance your WhatsApp photos and videos with blur effects. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides.